Hey there, viewers. Do you often feel drained throughout the day? Imagine kickstarting your mornings with an energy boost that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Today, we're unveiling 11 morning drinks that not only flush out toxins, but also promote better skin health and overall well-being. Always consult with a professional before making any dietary changes. Now let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lemon water. We delve into the wonders of lemon water, a refreshingly simple beverage perfect for kickstarting your morning routine. Crafting and enjoying this drink is a breeze, offering a host of benefits. With a rich vitamin C content, it plays a multifaceted role in promoting digestive health. This includes fortifying immune function, aiding in collagen synthesis for a resilient gut lining, and facilitating iron absorption. Furthermore, lemon water may kickstart the production of stomach acid and bile, vital components for effective digestion. The heightened stomach acid aids in the breakdown of food, while bile plays a crucial role in the absorption of fats, contributing to weight loss. Despite its acidic nature, lemon juice is believed to have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. This potential alkalizing effect may play a role in balancing the body's pH levels, offering overall benefits for digestive health. While intriguing, it's essential to note that scientific support for this concept requires further investigation. In a breakfast-related study, 10 participants consumed 100 grams of bread along with either 250 milliliters of water, diluted lemon juice, or black tea. The results revealed that lemon juice significantly increased stomach contents by 1.5 times compared to water, demonstrating its potential to expedite digestion. This effect was attributed to how lemon juice influences the breakdown of starch in the body. Number 2. Green tea. Let's explore another widely embraced morning elixir, green tea. Renowned for its ability to heighten alertness, green tea achieves this through a key component, caffeine. This well-known brain stimulant operates by inhibiting adenosine receptors in the brain. This inhibition amplifies neurotransmitter activity, culminating in enhanced concentration and reaction time. The caffeine content in green tea, however, is milder compared to coffee, offering a more measured and sustained mental alertness, minus the jitters commonly associated with coffee consumption. Beyond caffeine, green tea boasts a richness in polyphenols like catechins, wielding robust antioxidant properties. These substances play a pivotal role in shielding the brain from oxidative stress, potentially mitigating the risk of neurodegenerative ailments such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Examining the impact of 336 milligrams of decaffeinated green tea catechin on cognitive function. A study involving Japanese adults aged 50 to 69 unfolded. Post a single dose, the continuous performance test showcased a noteworthy reduction in incorrect response rates. Over 12 weeks of consistent use, the working memory test indicated a decrease in response time. These findings imply that the habitual consumption of this beverage may contribute to an enhancement in working memory. Number 3. Ginger tea. A magical spice brimming with numerous health benefits. Loaded with compounds like ginger oil, it boasts powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation, a natural response to injury or infection, can lead to persistent discomfort. But ginger comes to the rescue by potentially alleviating muscle pain. In a study conducted over 11 days at Georgia University, approximately 75 participants consumed 2 grams of ginger, half raw and half cooked, after a 24-hour exercise period. Both forms of ginger exhibited a notable reduction of around 25% in muscle pain, emphasizing its potential in easing pain, especially for those with osteoarthritis. Beyond its muscle-relieving properties, ginger tea offers relief for sore throats. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and natural analgesic properties, ginger helps reduce swelling and soothe throat pain. Its antimicrobial features also make it effective against infections causing sore throats. In instances of throat discomfort accompanied by congestion, ginger acts as an expectorant, aiding in the expulsion of mucus from the respiratory tract. This dual action may alleviate coughing and provide relief from throat irritation. Number 4. Turmeric latte. Also known as golden milk, this traditional Indian beverage has garnered global popularity for its extensive health benefits. The key player here is curcumin, found abundantly in turmeric, showcasing remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation, implicated in various prevalent conditions such as heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's, and degenerative disorders, may find relief through the consumption of turmeric latte. Curcumin, acting as a potent antioxidant, plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals owing to its unique chemical structure. Additionally, it enhances the activity of the body's intrinsic antioxidant enzymes, This dual action mechanism proves pivotal in combating oxidative damage, a recognized contributor to aging and numerous diseases. Beyond its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess, curcumin in turmeric latte exhibits potential in influencing the molecular aspects of cancer. Research suggests its ability to inhibit the development of new blood vessels in tumors, a process termed angiogenesis. Furthermore, curcumin may impede the spread of cancer known as metastasis and contribute to the programmed cell death of cancerous cells. These findings underscore turmeric latte's multifaceted role in promoting health and potentially preventing severe ailments. Number 5. Almond milk smoothie. Throughout history, nuts have been celebrated for their nutritional prowess. Almond milk, containing a relatively low amount of saturated fats, emerges as a beverage with several notable health benefits, particularly in heart protection. Almonds, being a rich source of vitamin E and antioxidants, play a pivotal role in combating oxidative stress within the body. This stress, a potential catalyst for cell damage and a contributor to heart disease, is effectively addressed by the consumption of almond milk. Furthermore, almond milk boasts magnesium content, recognized for its positive impact on blood pressure regulation. Given that high blood pressure stands as a significant risk factor for heart diseases, including heart attacks and strokes, the integration of almond milk into one's diet may contribute to a healthier heart. An insightful study delved into the correlation between almond consumption and heart disease risk. Analyzing 15 trials involving 534 participants, the study compared individuals who consumed almonds with those who did not. The findings revealed that incorporating almonds into one's diet could lead to a reduction in total cholesterol by approximately 11 milligrams per deciliter and a decrease in bad cholesterol, LDL, by around 6 milligrams per deciliter. Additionally, good cholesterol, HDL, showed a slight increase, and apolipoprotein B, a protein linked to heart disease, exhibited a decrease. Intriguingly, the study indicated that consuming more than 42 grams of almonds proved more effective in reducing fasting blood sugar, diastolic blood pressure, and body mass index. These results underscore the potential of almond milk in promoting heart health and overall well-being. Number 6. Kale and spinach juice. Imagine kickstarting your day with a blend of these green vegetables, both renowned for their richness in calcium, an indispensable mineral vital for fortifying bone strength and density. Our bones, acting as reservoirs for 99% of the body's calcium, necessitate adequate intake to stave off conditions like osteoporosis. What sets kale and spinach apart is that the calcium they provide is more readily absorbed by the body compared to dairy sources. Number 7. Aloe vera juice. Although commonly associated with skincare, aloe vera's applications extend significantly into the medical realm. The juice is rich in compounds boasting antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, pivotal in curbing the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. Left unchecked, these bacteria could contribute to oral issues such as cavities and gum diseases. Aloe vera's efficacy in combating these bacteria becomes instrumental in maintaining a healthy oral microbiome. Inflammation serves as a key factor in various oral health issues, including gum disease. Aloe vera, with its anti-inflammatory properties, proves invaluable in reducing gum inflammation, offering relief from gingivitis and periodontitis. Moreover, aloe vera is renowned for its regenerative properties. It actively contributes to the treatment of mouth ulcers, accelerating the healing process of damaged oral tissues. This dual action not only minimizes recovery time and discomfort, but also indirectly aids in preventing tooth decay by reducing the bacterial load in the oral cavity. Research has delved into the comparison of the antibacterial efficacy of mouthwashes containing aloe vera and hydrogen peroxide. Over a 4-day study involving 96 participants, aloe vera mouthwash demonstrated superior effectiveness in reducing dental plaque and bacterial counts in the mouth compared to hydrogen peroxide. These findings suggest that aloe vera could serve as a viable, natural alternative to chemically formulated mouthwashes for maintaining effective oral hygiene. Number 8. Beetroot juice. This vibrant concoction contains betalains, compounds known to stimulate the function of liver cells and enhance the efficiency of the detoxification process. Beetroot is notably high in antioxidants, particularly beta-cyanin, which acts as a shield, protecting liver cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a precursor to cell damage and is implicated in various liver conditions. The antioxidants in beetroot neutralize harmful free radicals, thereby safeguarding liver cells from potential damage. Regular consumption of beetroot juice has demonstrated its ability to improve liver function by optimizing enzyme levels within the liver. This proves particularly beneficial in conditions where liver enzyme levels are imbalanced. Beetroot juice also contains anti-inflammatory compounds, such as betaine, which play a pivotal role in reducing inflammation in the liver. This anti-inflammatory action is crucial for both preventing and managing conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In a 12-week randomized controlled trial involving 180 adults aged 19 to 73, researchers delved into the effects of beetroot juice, a Mediterranean diet, and their combination on liver health. Participants, initially averaging 82 kilograms, were divided into 4 groups, including a control group. The study revealed significant improvements in liver function markers, such as serum bilirubin, ALP, cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL levels across all diet types containing beetroot. Additionally, the groups incorporating beetroot experienced an increase in good cholesterol level. These findings underscore the positive impact of beetroot juice on liver health and overall well-being. Number 9. Chia seed. A staple for health enthusiasts, chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they play a pivotal role in supporting brain health and mitigating inflammation. Additionally, these tiny wonders boast high levels of antioxidants, actively combating oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Beyond this, the abundant fiber content in chia seeds becomes a champion for digestive health. This dietary fiber aids in maintaining bowel regularity and fostering a healthy gut microbiome. Soluble fiber, a component of chia seeds, contributes to lowering cholesterol levels, thereby promoting heart health. Moreover, the inclusion of chia seeds in one's diet may aid in stabilizing blood sugar levels. The combination of high fiber and protein content in these seeds slows down the digestion and absorption of complex carbohydrates. This gradual release ensures a consistent energy level and prevents abrupt spikes in blood sugar, particularly advantageous for individuals with diabetes. In a research study involving 42 adults with type 2 diabetes, a daily consumption of 40 grams of chia seeds over 12 weeks resulted in a noteworthy reduction in systolic blood pressure. This reduction was observed in comparison to individuals who did not incorporate chia seeds into their diet during the experiment, showcasing the positive impact of chia seeds on blood pressure management. Number 10. Matcha tea. A beverage that may seem a bit extravagant for daily consumption, but comes with a wealth of health benefits. What sets matcha apart is its exceptional richness in catechins, a type of antioxidant. Among these, EGCG stands out for its potent antioxidative properties. Antioxidants, such as those found in matcha, play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can induce oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and accelerating the aging process. Beyond its antioxidative prowess, matcha may contribute to enhancing the body's natural detoxification systems. The vibrant green color of matcha, courtesy of its high chlorophyll content, has been linked to improved detoxification, aiding in the elimination of harmful chemicals and toxins that could potentially harm cells. Scientific studies suggest that matcha consumption may extend benefits beyond antioxidation. It has been associated with stress reduction and a modest improvement in attention and memory. Furthermore, matcha could play a role in managing weight, improving glucose and lipid levels, and reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, especially when incorporated into a diet rich in fats. So, while matcha might add a touch of elegance to your daily routine, its potential health perks make it a delightful addition. Number 11. Cucumber mint water. This isn't just a refreshing beverage, it also brings significant benefits for hydration and skin health to the table. Cucumbers, renowned for their high water content, make them an ideal choice for hydration. When infused in water, they elevate the drink's ability to efficiently hydrate the body, surpassing the effects of plain water. Adequate hydration is vital for maintaining skin elasticity and suppleness. Moreover, the natural minerals present in cucumbers are infused into the water, offering electrolytes that play a crucial role in preserving the body's hydration balance. Cucumbers are rich in antioxidants and silica. Antioxidants combat free radicals, diminishing oxidative stress and thwarting premature skin aging. Silica contributes to collagen formation, a vital protein that upholds skin structure and elasticity. The addition of mint enhances these benefits by imparting a soothing and cooling effect on the skin. This cooling effect may aid in reducing inflammation and redness, while assisting in the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Mint, renowned for its cleansing properties, not only nourishes the body but also calms irritations, reduces swelling, and provides protection against sunburn. In summary, cucumber mint water emerges as a delightful elixir, offering remarkable benefits to enhance overall skin health. These 11 morning drinks are more than just thirst quenchers, they're vessels of nourishment tailored to enhance your well-being. Embrace them as part of your daily ritual and witness the transformative impact on your body and mind. Cheers to health, vitality, and the joy of savoring each healthy sip you take every morning. We'd love to hear from you. Which drink is your favorite? Let us know in the comments section.